look at that, it's an old cab car. Okay, everyone, we have a GO train coming with an old cab car. It's been a while since I filmed an old cab car. It's a 6-car train, so it's really rare to see one with an old cab car. She's on the way down to Bradford. In fact, it's cab car 256. An F59PH engine. 563. And there she goes. I'm going down to Bradford GO. So that was really rare to see an old cab car with a F59PH engine. So yeah, I'm really lucky to catch that today. And there goes the train. So yeah, that's basically old cab car 256, an F59PH engine 563 at the Walkway crossing in Newmarket. I'm hoping to try to catch this train more often in the future before we take off the old cab car. So yeah, that's going to be it. Thanks again for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.